Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about our entremet. Entremet is basically a multi-layered cake with a shiny mirror glaze. So for our entremet themes, we're going to bring back the classic breakfast at Tiffany's theme because, people say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? And we see a lot of people they're getting terrified when they hear the word of sugar and calories and dessert, and they don't even want to eat a very good dessert, and they might forget about how good a dessert could be. So with our theme, we're going to remind you guys back of how a dessert could taste and how great it is. So who haven't had cake for breakfast anyway? And second of all, shape. Why the lame, boring round shape? Because it's so simple yet elegant. So it fits perfectly with our theme also, with the main theme of tradition. The next one, we're going to have my friends to explain it to you. So come. Moving on, we people eat with our eyes first, yes? Our first layer is going to be in dark brown color, which represents the feeling of serenity, calmness, and zen, and not food. Second, white. Of course, white is a color that is going to appear everywhere. Why? Because it is the ultimate definition of simplicity and elegance that will goes well with the Tiffany blue color, and it neutrals everything. Even if you take a look on the famous jewelry shop that we might all already have been aware of, Tiffany & Co., the white cooperates perfectly with the blue color. Next one is the fiery hot red. Just by looking at it, your spirit and anticipation will be built up before you even eat it. It gives your day the sparks needed to getting started. Number 4 is the color of ochre. For you guys who didn't know, it's the color of brownish like peanut butter, or perhaps you could Google it. So for the ochre color, we incorporate it with the sponge cake. Maybe you heard it, not very often, but it gives the feeling of enthusiasm and excitement from the brownish yellow color that also represents warmth, optimism, and pleasure. It was also very famous ever since in the ancient Greece. Can you believe it? Well, I don't. But you can try Wikipedia for a start. And finally, the Tiffany blue or turquoise. Please down a comment below. With this final color, we want you to feel the refreshing and calming energy whilst giving the look of sophistication. And it is also a good luck symbol, which needs a lot of us to finish this project with the best of us. So now going on to texture. Hi, so we have 7 layers of amazingness. The first one is the base. We're using a crispy brownie cookie, which is real good. It gives you the crunchy feeling, and also from the dark chocolate, it gives you a nice bitterness to the overall taste of the product. And then second, we have for you the creamy vanilla mousse that it's so plain, it's so old, it's ultimate classic. Even though it's plain, it's still rich. It will balance out all the strong flavor competitors from the layer of the cake. After the vanilla mousse, we will top it with a layer of fantastic jelly, which is our third layer. And I forgot to inform you, it has a fun chewy texture. And the fourth one is the almighty peanut butter sponge cake, because first of all, peanut butter is like the rock star of the spread, and people eat it all the time, so it goes incredible.
Wait, I supposed to mention it has a firm yet spongy texture.
Bear with me guys, we're halfway there. And the fifth one, yes, it is another mousse. It is the coffee. Breakfast is not complete without a coffee, because a macaroni without cheese, it won't be a macaroni and cheese. So you kind of feel sad and dead without it. And I mean, coffee, come on guys, the ultimate classic. Also, just like the old plain vanilla gives you a bitterness, but it will not taste the same like the chocolate, because the coffee mousse is so rich, because it has this acidity taste and the needed bite and a little bit of roasty feeling from the roasting process. And last but not least, we have
the fun creation of our glazing, which is sea salt glazing, made from condensed milk, white chocolate, and also a touch of sea salt. People make everything out of sea salt nowadays. They make cakes, chocolate, ice cream, and even body scrub. Even it's a little bit out of context, but imagine how good it would taste when you eat the whole cake with it. So the next one, we're going to move on to my friend.
Okay, so next we will talk about our main ingredient in our entremet. For the base, we have the brownie cookie. It's mainly made from dark chocolate, flour, sugar, and other components. Now, after that we have jelly. We make a strawberry jelly. Okay, it's made from a fresh strawberry, a little amount of sugar, and of course a water. After the jelly, we have a vanilla mousse and coffee mousse. It's made of a whipping cream, eggs, vanilla pot, and of course flavoring for the vanilla mousse and the coffee flavoring. It's called imalco. And after that we have a sponge cake. It's a combination of peanut butter, sugar, and of course flour and the other ingredient. And the last we have the glazing. For the glazing we make something different, mixed with a sea salt, and we put white chocolate and condensed milk. That's why for our main ingredient in our entremet. Hi, I'm back. Now I will tell you about our entremet drawing.
It's supposed to be hour, but moving on.
Our entremet final look will be decorated with white chocolate swirl, macaroon, and of course chantilly cream. Okay, so for table setting presentation, we will try to make a simple yet elegant look. The table will be covered with white tablecloth. Our entremet will be placed on the middle of the table. We will also provide teacups, pots, paper cups, forks, and tissues for the guests. Hi guys! Hi! You guys know what else we have for our table presentation? No. So, we will put some pearl beads as the part of decoration, and the table will be finished with snack tier. Lastly, we will add 2 poles at the both sides of the table covered with white cloth and silver ribbon, and there will be also be Christmas light hang across the poles. Finally, we got to introduce our group members. My name is Jeremia Kurnia and I'm your pastry chef. My task is to lead the team, do the recipe research, make the macaroon, make the sponge cake, and do the cleaning. Second one is Andre. Hi Andre! He's our sous chef and his task is to do recipe research, make brownie base, make chantilly cream, make jelly, do heavy lifting and cleaning up. Third one is Marceli. Marceli is our first chef de partie who's in charge of making coffee mousse, decoration, assisting in jelly and glazing making, and do the cleaning. Last but not least is Olivia. Olivia is our second chef de partie. She is in charge of making vanilla mousse, decoration, assisting, make the entremet glazing, glaze the product, and also cleaning. And who are we?
We are Group 11!
Bye! Ini direkam loh.
You know what? This is what Jeremia do when we supposed to rehearse for our video project. He's looking for shoe size for his online shop. Chef, the cheapest in Instagram. Buy shoes.
Buy your shoes at fake nomor. Uma Fenty.
Jiji anjir, tikus.